Hello, my sweet students. Today we are diving into a common challenge many English learners face, the difference between make and do. For those who are new here, hi, I'm teacher Melike, nice to meet you. Welcome and welcome back to English Central. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting updates. Now let's get started. Let's start with make. Make is used for different situations. 1. Creating something. You need to use this verb when you're talking about creation or construction. Imagine you're in the kitchen. You make a delicious cake. We use make in such sentences like make a cake, make lunch, or make coffee. Examples: I am making a cake. This drawing is made by him. They are making chairs for the dining room. That's right. Whether it's a cake, a drawing, or even a piece of furniture, make is your creative companion. If you create something, you use make. 2. Causing an action. You can use make when you want to highlight that something causes something else to do an action. Let me give you some examples to make it clear. The noise made me jump. The smell made them feel nauseated. That joke made her cry. 3. Decision or choice. Make can also be used when expressing decisions or choices. I can't decide. I need to make a choice. I made my decision. Bonus for make. Now I'll give you a Teacher Melike special and show you some collocations with make. As an example, make money. How much money does he make? Make excuse. She always makes an excuse for why she's acting like that. Make time. I know you're busy, but we have to make time for each other. Make a fuss. Their child always makes a fuss. Make a reservation. I made a reservation for us at your favorite restaurant. It sounds easy, right? I admit these two little words can cause a bit of confusion, but fear not. We've got you covered. Our expert teachers are one click away. And we offer you your first lesson for free. You can click on the link in the description box to visit our website and try it. But for now, let's continue. Do. Now let's move on to do. 1. Tasks. This verb comes into play when you're talking about general activities or tasks. As an example, do the dishes, do the housework, do your hair, or do the laundry. Some other examples in sentences. I am doing my homework. He has to do the grocery shopping. They need to do the dishes. Simple, right? Do is your companion for everyday tasks. 2. Work. But what about work? Here comes do to the rescue again. As an example, do a good job, do business, or do an assignment. Let's check some examples in sentences. She does research for a living. They did a successful business. Whenever you're referring to work or job-related tasks, do is your partner in conversation. 3. Unspecified actions. But what if the action is not specified? That's when do comes to the rescue again, such as do something, do nothing, do anything, do everything. Examples in sentences: I don't know what to do. They do that all the time. I need you to do that for me. Bonus for do. Another Teacher Melike special for today. We can use do with topics such as self-care and sports. As an example, I do sports regularly. I've got my nails done. Doing Pilates is very healthy. There you have it, the difference between make and do in usage. Would you like to learn more? Keep watching our channel and you will find out. Or if you feel impatient, you can click on the link in the description box and visit our website to learn more about it. If you like this video, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Don't forget to comment. I'm thrilled to see what you guys think. Until next time, take care.